In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export users from Confluence. Whether you're managing a team or administering an entire organization's documentation, knowing how to efficiently export user data can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your central hub, where you can access all sorts of information and configurations related to your Confluence space. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is the gateway to your site's admin settings, where you can configure everything from look and feel to user management. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Scroll through the options and click on User Management. This will take you to the User Management area where all the user-related configurations are handled. It's the control center for overseeing who has access to what within your Confluence space. Once you've entered the User Management section, look for the three dots near the Invite Users option. This might appear as a context menu button, commonly known as an ellipsis icon. Click on these three dots. This action reveals additional options that relate specifically to user configurations. From there, you'll be presented with a choice. You can choose to export all users in the organization or select users from selected groups only. This flexibility allows you to tailor the export based on your specific needs. For instance, if you only need data from a particular team or department, this option comes in handy. Next, you'll want to decide on the status of the users you wish to export. You have the option to select All Users, which will include every registered user irrespective of their current activity status, or Only Active Users, which allows you to focus only on users actively engaging with the platform. Depending on your needs or the purpose of this data export, the choice might be different. Once you've made these selections and you're satisfied with your choices, look for the Export Users button. Give it a click. As soon as you do, the system will begin compiling and processing the data you've asked for. Not long after, you should receive an email containing the exported data. This email provides you with a downloadable file neatly compiling your selected user information. And there you have it. You've successfully exported user data from Confluence. Whether you're conducting routine checks or preparing for an audit, having this data at your fingertips is a powerful asset. Thank you for following along in this guide on exporting users in Confluence. We hope you found this tutorial clear and insightful. Until next time, happy managing.